In this video, I'm going to show you how to handle it if you have quoted a client and you're still waiting for the client to revert on the quote. So I put in my name here as a contact just for a test. So I did a search here for Kanya, and here I am under invoice clients. So you open the contact by clicking on the name, and you go to additional information, and you put in a quote amount. So say you put in the quote amount is 5,000, and you are gonna go scroll right down to the bottom and click on save. Once you click on save, you go to contact on the top here, and you're gonna go to tags, and you're gonna type in CL and choose the client's invoice tag. Make sure the client's invoice tag is here, and to save that tag, you're going to scroll to the bottom and click on save. After this, you're going to have to wait because I've put in a wait trigger for this to take effect. But what should happen afterwards is that this should move to the quote stage. So I'm going to go ahead and hit pause until that happens. Right, and also under tasks, you're going to have task 1 is to invoice a client. Task 2 is to complete the fields, which we did. And task 3 is to add the client as invoice tag, which is what we did as well. So I'm going to mark those all as complete. And now you can see it is in walk-in quote stage. But if I close this contact and if I move across, you'll see that it's under the walk-in quote stage, and the lead value is 5,000, which was the value of that quote. Once this is, supposing now somebody has taken this quote, so if you go to task again, you'll find a task here that says complete only when the client takes the quote, and it tells you what to do. So you can read this, and it tells you what to do, but I'm going to show you what to do. So when the client takes the quote, you're going to go to the quote amount, delete that amount, go to the invoice amount, type in 5,000, choose the date, and you're going to go ahead and click on save. And you are going to close this contact. And then since the client has taken this quote, what you're going to do is click on the client anywhere on the side, any of the white parts, and drag that client to warn leads. And once you do that, the warn leads amount would then change to 5,000 as well. So this is how you handle quotes. You do the same thing if the client has, say for example, the client has invoiced the test for 500 rand and had the quote amount for 5,000 rand. You can still add in 500 rand there and 500 rand for quote. What will happen in that event is that it'll still just go to the quote stage, and then if the client does eventually take the quote, you're going to delete this quote amount and you're going to add 5,500 because it's 5,000 plus the 500 for the invoice in this case, and you're going to click on save, and then you're going to click and drag it to the quote to the warn lead stage. I hope this makes sense. This is how you handle quotes.